everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm excited because I've been wanting a colorful palette and I finally found it. Like, I was on the hunt. I wanted a yellow eyeshadow and then I'm just like, I couldn't find a yellow eyeshadow that I was like wanting. I wanted like yellow. I didn't want mustard, I didn't want neon, I wanted just yellow. I stumbled upon this eyeshadow palette and had like all these colors and I was like, I'm gonna get it. And plus I've never gotten something from Morphe, so I got it. So here's the package. I already opened it. It literally came this morning and I woke up and it was in my living room and I was like, yes. This one is the 35B Color Burst eyeshadow palette and I mainly got it because I wanted all these colors in here. Like, I haven't done anything colorful just because I don't have a colorful palette. So, now I do. So, here it is. Yo, this palette is pretty heavy. Like, I don't want to say something, I don't want to sound mean or anything, but they look a little cheap. So, I thought they were going to not feel as heavy. But then when I got it, I was like, whoa, like, it has some weight to it. Okay, Morphe. Oh, and here it is. It's so colorful. Look, here's the little plastic thingy. So here it is. So here's that yellow I was looking for. And then, oh shoot, I just dipped my nail into the green. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna put this protector real quick while I'm pointing to them. I'm so sad. Okay, so here's this yellow, and then I did want some blues and purples, pinks and oranges. I already have, so I'm not like that, like, oh my god. But I mainly wanted it because it has a good variety of colors. So, and I'll be honest, I do wear my colorful shirt. It says, "Let's get weird." I'm a weird person, sorry. Yeah, so I honestly don't know what to do. Like, I could easily do like an orange yellow look, but then I could do a blue, like a purple blue look. Right, so I'm gonna use my 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. Just gonna put that all over my eyes. And now I'm actually gonna, just because I need a little coverage because my eyes are a little like yellow, I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on top. There is this white in here, and that's what I'm gonna use to set this concealer before it creases. Oh my god, I'm destroying this palette. My nail just dug into this one right here. I'm actually gonna go into this one. This is like a violet, I want to say, or like a fuchsia-ish. I don't know. So I'm gonna focus that right here. Alright, it seems to be a little too pink, so I'm gonna pick up a purple. Try to blend those together. Ooh, they're blending so nice. So I first initially put this color right here, but now I'm picking up this color because this one's a little too pink. So I'm picking up that darker purple to make it more purple. So I think I blended. It looks a little crazy right now, but I feel like once you have everything together, it should look better. But everything looks always crazy when you first do things. So now we're going to do like a cut crease type of look, but not really. I'm gonna go into this like plum dark purple right here, and I'm gonna focus that mainly on my crease. And then in some of my inner V. It's like this. You see it? You see it? I want that purple to be like boom in your face. And I am so surprised because there's no fallout happening. Usually when I use colored eyeshadows, I always get fallout right here. But so far, no fallout. Like, literally none. Now that's like this, I'm gonna put on the inner color, and I'm honestly gonna go into this purple. Should I wet the brush or should I? No, I'm gonna do it alone without wetting the brush. Okay, let's do this. Some pigment's coming out, but I think I'm gonna wet the brush. Okay, so the shimmer has just a little bit fallout, but I mean, it's because I picked up from both sides, so that might be my mistake. But I'm gonna go into my Too Faced white chocolate palette, and I'm gonna use this purple. I don't know if you could tell, but it's like a purple shimmer. And I'm just gonna pick up a little and like place it right in the center. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back to finish this eyes. Alright, so I finished doing like my foundation, concealer, bronzer, and I put on some highlight, like, Alright, so back to the eyes. I honestly don't know what to do in the bottom. I kind of want to do like a yellow because I want to see how good, if I could open this, how good this yellow looks. So let me do that. I'm kind of scared, but whatever. It's yellow. Like, there's actual pigment to this. Like, I've tried a couple yellows that don't show up on my skin, but this one does. And I feel like if I use it on my top lid with some concealer, it's gonna like pop a lot more. But this is just like straight on to my skin color, so that is pretty cool. I'm glad I bought this palette. Okay, Morphe, I'm seeing what's good. Okay, so as my lash glue is like drying down and stuff, I'm going to move on to, I want to do like a little heart or a star. Not quite sure what, or star. But let me practice real quick on my skin. Alright, here goes nothing, guys. This is make it or break it. I'm gonna try to do a star like right here. Oh, I kind of messed up. Abort mission. I want to do more stars, but this is like harder than what I thought it would be. So I'm kind of like do my Nemo stars. Right, so now that my lash glue is like somewhat dried down, I'm just gonna squish them together. That was a journey. This is the final product. Alright, so this is my ultimate, like, I'm not reviewing it, but it's like I'm telling you guys, you know, it's my first time ever owning a Morphe palette, and I am actually excited that I got it because I've been wanting to do colorful eyes, like crazy colorful eyeshadow for a good while. And let's get weird. If you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, it's LetsGetWeirdTogether. And I do have a second account called Esmes_lookbook. That's more of me like trying to model. And I want to actually become more professional in like modeling. So like You should follow me there for you guys won't miss out. Because I like to shop like clothes. I love to buy clothes. That's like my second guild, like makeup and clothes. Oh, I think that's like every girl's, well, most girls. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say except till next time. Peace.